Good job, so. Can't get that one in quite right, huh? You sure that's where he goes? Good. What next? That's better. That's better. That's right. That's right. Where does he go? Good. Now what? Now what? Here. What about this one? That's right. So, good job. And how about that one? Oops, sorry.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Well, now that was on purpose. Here. Where's that go? Where does Mr. Horse go? You're done. All right. Well, that was a good job.